I've been feeling like you don't want my love no more, no more. Sleeping on different sides, problems we can't ignore. Oh, but I've been so caught up in...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I am so excited you decided to join me today. So today's video is going to be a little bit different because I am including a Rae Dunn haul in the front part of this cleaning video. Now, full disclaimer, this Rae Dunn haul was filmed several weeks ago, and I was kind of waiting to post it until I had gotten more items. However, my state has pretty much shut down again with everything going on, so I wanted to go ahead and get it out there now because I don't know when the next time I will be purchasing anything will be. So I started everything off where redecorating this top portion. I used the 2-tier shelf that was on my counter up here, and I actually really like it. I felt like it was cluttering my counters too much, so I wanted to move it to a place that I could actually enjoy it and display more Rae Dunn. Now, the first thing that I got for this haul is this Happy 4th cheese tray. This was recorded, like I said, several weeks ago before 4th of July, so I had picked up a few things to display for 4th of July. And I really like the set. I like that it's simple. It's got the little cheese knife that says USA in it, and it's red. And I think that that's really cute, and it actually worked out perfect. I will be showing you where I chose to display these items, and like I said, it worked out perfect. I also love this little cheese tray. I love the size of it. I think it is super cute. It was very flat. I probably honestly won't ever use this to actually use as a cheese tray. It's pretty small for that. But for decorating purposes, I thought this was perfect. This cheese tray fit perfectly on the frame stands that I have, and I didn't need to order any bigger ones. So I really like that. And I'm actually looking for a cheese tray that's going to be about the same size so I can display it year round. So this is where I chose to put the little USA cheese knife. I did put it on the top of this tiered tray. I don't know if I fully showed my tier tray, but I did kind of change it up. I'm really liking it right now. It just looks fresh and clean to me. And then I did put the Happy 4th little cheese tray up on my, I don't even know, mug rack. You know, this is where most of my Rae Dunn display is, and it is where we put our coffee and everything. So I guess it's kind of like a coffee bar right here. But I really like the look of it with the square inside the little basket. So I am looking for something to put there more permanently year round. Now, the next thing that I did purchase was this little container storage box. It is made out of a very thin, cheap filling wood. It just says things on it, and it is an open container. I actually thought that this would be really good to store some of the things that are out of season in. I am storing it up on the top of my cabinets, as you saw me clearing off before. You'll see it towards the end, but I thought it would be a great way to kind of store some extra stuff, as well as adding height and some color. Part of what I love about the Rae Dunn is that it is white, but I do like the pop of color every now and then. I did finally get a flower jar too for my fresh flowers, so I don't have to use the pitchers anymore, which I'm very excited about. And I also picked up this dip type tray. I think it is super cute. The bowls are actually a decent size. I thought it was going to be a lot smaller than it was, but it's bigger than the palm of my hand, so that's really exciting. And it has the 3. It just says dip, eat, and taste, and it works perfectly. Now, another thing I did purchase was a 2-pack. I actually found this on Amazon when I was looking for laundry baskets, and it was way too cute to pass up. And it was just a 2-pack of laundry baskets. They are soft-sided, and I'm kind of just have them thrown in my laundry room for now. I don't really know for sure where I will be keeping them. For now, they're just kind of sitting here, and we will see how that changes as time goes on. Now, the next thing I did purchase was this 2-set of mugs. One says vitamin C and the other beach please. I actually love the play on words for these, and I did get these though for my sister. She had been looking everywhere for them, and I saw them pop up, so I purchased them, and she absolutely loves them. I also did purchase these ice cream bowls with the scoop. They say Happy 4th. Like I said, I had gotten this around 4th of July, and I wanted a few things for displaying. So I really loved this set, and it was perfect for displaying. Now, I did pick up a few pillows as well. This one says good vibes only. It looks black on camera, but it is written in navy blue. My backyard porch I am doing in like a navy blue theme, so I love this. It works out perfect, and it has these cute little surfboards on the back, which is perfect for outside. I kind of want it to be more of like a farmhouse beachy theme, so it works perfect. And I also got these two pillows that say beach house. Honestly, I'm probably going to end up turning them around just so they're the navy blue pillows. But like I said, it works out great, and I really, really like the colors and everything that it brings to my backyard. And this is just kind of an overview now of what the top of the cabinets now look like with everything up there. So now that I am done with the Rae Dunn haul, let's go ahead and get on into the cleaning portion of this video.
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, 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 now trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. Oh, 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 so take me on a trip, 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 trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. Make me feel so young. I know we're acting stupid, maybe just a little bit foolish. Just go a little crazy and lose it. It's the only way we know how to do it. Kill the lights. Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. I don't like being on my own. I could use someone to hold. And I've been trying to fill the void, but my bed is getting cold. Cause I don't have you, I don't have us, at least not anymore. You said you had to go away just to figure out who you are. And I'm in this empty house with your pictures on my wall. But I don't have you, I don't have us, at least not anymore. Now I'm just waiting for love, waiting for love. Try to forget about you makes me restless. Waiting for love, waiting for love. I don't know what else I can do. It's hopeless to be holding on to you. I guess we forgot about the way we could sit and talk all night. We just let the good times pass and got caught up in our fights. I say I don't mind, but that's a lie. Thought we'd work it out. I've tried to let you go. Memories, they tend to stay. Doesn't matter anyway, cause it won't be you and me. Now I'm just waiting for love, waiting for love. Try to forget about you makes me restless. Waiting for love, waiting for love. I don't know what else I can do. It's hopeless to be holding on to you.
Now I am using this stain remover on my daughter's dress. I keep one of these in the laundry room specifically for clothing, and it works out perfect. It is the Grove Collaborative Stain Remover. It says for upholstery and carpet, but like I said, I use it on clothing, and these stains come out perfectly, and it is so exciting.
Waiting for love, try to forget about you makes me restless. Waiting for love, waiting for love. I don't know what else I can do. It's hopeless to be holding on to you. Hopeless to be holding on to you. I don't wanna feel this way, but it's not that easy. You're complicating things for me. No, it's not that easy. Maybe just a little time can heal me, but it doesn't feel the way. What are you doing to me? Why'd you break my heart? Left me in the dark, dark. Why'd you have to go? I don't wanna feel this way. Though I'm broken, I'm still hoping I could be with you. I'm still breathing, it's not easy. I just that stupid. Thought that we were meant to be. Yeah, I'm just that stupid. Maybe just a little time can make you change your mind about us. I thought that we were meant to be. Ooh, why'd you break my heart?
Now I think my camera died or something because I recorded cleaning the entire counter off, or I thought I did, and for whatever reason, I cannot find that footage. It is lost, or I did not record it. I am not sure what happened. But before I did that, I did finish clearing off the island before moving on into the dishes, which will be the last thing that I cleaned for this cleaning video.
I'm still breathing, it's not easy. I'm just a fool for you. I'm just a fool for you. I'm just a fool for you. For you. For
Now that is it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy it and it gave you some motivation for cleaning, or maybe even some decor inspo with the Rae Dunn haul. If you did enjoy it, please give me that thumbs up, and if you are new, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!